Let's understand how to report F&O income or loss in income tax returns. It's a business income, not a capital gain income. So you have to fill ITR Form 3, applicable to individuals and HUF having business income. Is audit necessary? It's always a big question from every client. Yes, only if business income declared is less than 6% of net receipt. So for example, you make 5 lakh of gains from one of the trade and on another trade you incur a loss of 2 lakh. In that case, your net income is 3 lakh. So if you declare less than 6% of this 3 lakh, that is less than 18,000 as your taxable income, as your net income from the business, then you need to get it audited. But if your declared income is more than 18,000, that is more than 6%, then you don't need to get audited. The other scenario in which you need to get audited is if your absolute turnover exceeds 10 crore in the financial year. Now understand the definition of absolute turnover. In the given example, you made a profit of 5 lakh from one trade and you incur a loss of 2 lakh in another trade. So your absolute turnover is not 3 lakh over here. Your absolute turnover is 5 plus 2, 7 lakh. That way, total up all the gains and losses for the year, and if the total exceeds 10 crore in the financial year, then you need to get it audited. Let's look at the books of account you need to maintain. One is the profit and loss account. On the revenue side, you note down all the profits and loss you make from each of the trade. Against that, book your expenses which are directly related to F&O trading, such as internet charges, mobile charges, any seminar fee, training fee, subscription fee, any advisory, brokerage you pay to someone, a depreciation on assets you use for the trading purpose like laptop, mobile, etc. Also make a balance sheet where only assets and liabilities related to F&O trading business should be there. You need not show your personal assets and liabilities over here. So what could be such assets and liabilities? Example, laptops, mobiles you use for your F&O trading, any deposit in the trading account with any brokerage house, things like that. And these are the information which will go in the schedule P&L and schedule balance sheet of the ITR. Now, during the year, if you have net loss from F&O business, you can set it off against any other income in the same year except salary income. If any loss remains after set off, then you can carry it forward up to next 8 years to set off in future year. But in those future year, you can set it off only against business income and not any other type of income. For any query related to F&O trading, just drop me a message.